If you are looking for ways to make money online in 2025, you've come to the right place. Today, I will tell you about the 3 most profitable options that really work. Are you ready? Let's go. Imagine that you can make money using artificial intelligence. And no, you don't need to be a programmer. Artificial intelligence is already helping people earn thousands of dollars. For example, create unique designs with Canva or Midjourney. People are willing to pay for logos, book covers, or even personalized avatars. Write cool texts, articles, or even entire scripts with ChatGPT. Bloggers, companies, and marketers are always looking for quality content. Sell AI-generated covers, logos, or music. Unique audio tracks and digital illustrations are in trend nowadays. Clients can be found on popular freelance exchanges such as Fiverr or Upwork. The main thing is to improve your skills and create a competent portfolio. Top freelancers earn from $1,000 to $5,000 per month. How about the idea of creating one product and then selling it endlessly? It could be vector graphics, templates, ebooks, online courses, or even useful spreadsheets in Notion. People need useful content and they are willing to pay for it. Ready-made AI promos. Yes, even ChatGPT queries can be sold. Some people do not want to test thousands of variants on their own, so they buy ready-made solutions. Graphic elements, fonts, icon packs. Designers, bloggers, and developers are always looking for cool visual solutions. Music and sound effects. For example, YouTube bloggers buy audio for their videos, and game developers are looking for unique soundtracks. Where to sell? Great platforms for this: Etsy, Gumroad, Adobe Stock. You just create a product once and get a passive income. If you set up your marketing correctly, you can earn from $500 to $10,000 per month. Monetization of social networks such as TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. These platforms are now in the top. And most importantly, they pay for views. How does it work? It's simple. You make short videos that are easy for the audience to watch. Life hacks, financial advice, reactions, and educational content work best. You use affiliate links and get a percentage of sales. For example, recommend courses, equipment, or useful services. You sell advertising to brands that want to be in your content. The more subscribers you have, the more expensive your ads are. Launch your own information products, online courses, consultations, or sell your products. Top bloggers earn tens of thousands of dollars, but even beginners can earn $500 to $3,000 per month. The main thing is to create interesting content and be active in your niche. Online earnings in 2025 are not a myth, but a reality. But it is important not only to watch such videos, but also to act. Choose one of the methods and start today. Write in the comments what method you would like to see in the next videos. Subscribe and like us, because there are even more useful tips coming up.